we just found 4,000-year-old animal remains. If you didn't already know, Europe has been dealing with an insane heatwave this year, literally one of the worst heat waves Europe has ever seen. And right in the middle of this,
Germany has set a new heat record, and the temperature could go higher at a so-called heat dome.
Third day of record-breaking temperatures for June, with the mercury rising to 36.9 degrees Celsius in Suffolk.
the Danube River, which is Europe's second longest river, has something super strange happening inside it. Because of this extreme heat, the Danube has hit an all-time low, dropping lower than it ever has in recorded history. And because of that, the riverbed is starting to show. Right on top of it, we've found woolly mammoth remains, including a ribcage and some tusks. This discovery happened nearly 4,000 years later. In fact, back during the Ice Age, this woolly mammoth actually saw the light of day, and ever since then it's been underwater. And besides that, at different points along the Danube, which flows across 10 countries whenever the water level dropped, other things started popping out of the water too, right alongside these woolly mammoth remains. On top of that, World War II German warships that were sunk to stop the Soviet army have also emerged. And because of this, a bunch of new problems are coming up. Cruise ships can't navigate through the river anymore, so passengers are being told to disembark. Nuclear reactors that rely on water from this river aren't getting enough water supply, so they might have to be shut down temporarily. And local residents are running into a ton of other issues too. So right now, nobody knows when the water level of the Danube River is going to rise back up. But honestly, in the entire history of humanity, we've never seen anything quite like this, where a river dries down this much, and you were pulling the remains of a woolly mammoth, an animal that went extinct 4,000 years ago straight off the riverbed. This is genuinely super surprising and crazy. To stay up to date and catch more news just like this, make sure you hit that follow button. I need one subscribe.